Hello children, good morning. Children, today we will be taking Hindi lesson 7 Onam. Okay, so Onam is a harvest festival of Kerala. The people of Kerala celebrate Onam as a harvest festival. Harvesting means when the crops grow, for the first time they cut down the crops and offer to their home gods or their special family gods, or like we celebrate our Sankranti festival as a harvesting festival. The people of Kerala celebrate Onam as a harvesting festival. There are many theories which are related to Onam. Like theory 1 is it's a harvest festival. Theory 2 goes for the they will be offering some special prasad to their ancestors who have died a long years back. Another one is that once upon a time there used to live a king, Mahabali, who was very generous as well as he was very selfish. As time passed on, he became a little selfish. So to teach him a lesson, God Vishnu, Lord Vishnu came down in the form of dwarf and sent him to heavens. But every year on that Onam day, the king from the heavens come down in the form of spirit, invisible spirit, and visit each and every home of the Kerala. It is said that, it is believed that. Even today, the people believe that every year Mahabali, the king's name is Mahabali, he will come down to earth to visit each and every family of his kingdom. Okay children, let's start and let's know more things about Onam. So Alka is a little girl who is talking to her Dadi. Dadi means grandmother. She is inquiring more about her doubts about the Onam festival. Alka, Dadi, क्या ओनम का त्योहार आने वाला है? Now she is asking, Dadi, ओनम का त्योहार आने वाला है? Do the Onam festival is arriving, approaching. Dadi, हाँ बेटा, इस महीने की 4 तारीख को ओनम का त्योहार मनाएंगे. This month we are going to celebrate, on 4th of this month we are going to celebrate Onam. Alka, Onam कब मनाया जाता है? When do we celebrate Onam? दादी, ओनम चिंगम महीने में मनाया जाता है. यह मलयालम कैलेंडर का पहला महीना होता है जो आमतौर पर अगस्त सितंबर के महीने में आता है. So according to the English calendar, this Onam will be celebrated in the August or September. That August and September collectively will be known as 2 months collectively will be known as 1 month in different religious calendars, children. So here, according to the Malayalam calendar, this August and September month is known as Chingam month, Chingam Mahina, and the Onam will be approaching in that particular month. Alka, यह त्योहार कितने दिन तक मनाया जाता है? She is asking. The next doubt is, how many days do we celebrate Onam? दादी बोल रही है, यह समस्त केरल में 10 दिनों तक मनाया जाता है. तो दादी क्या बोल रही है? समस्त केरला, that means throughout the Kerala this festival is celebrated up to 10 days. Alka, हम ओनम क्यों मनाते हैं दादी? Why do we celebrate Onam? Alka's next question. बेटा, यह त्योहार सम्राट महाबली से जुड़ा है. So here Dadi is explaining that this festival is related to Samrat. Samrat means king. It is related to Samrat king. Name is Mahabali. यह पर्व उनके सम्मान में मनाया जाता है. लोगों का विश्वास है कि भगवान विष्णु के 5वें अवतार वामन ने चिंगम मास के इस दिन सम्राट महाबली के राज्य में प्रकट होकर उन्हें पाताल लोक भेजा था. माना जाता है कि वे साल में एक बार अपनी प्रजा को देखने के लिए आते हैं. उनके स्वागत में ओनम का पर्व मनाया जाता है. हम इसे फसल और उपज के लिए भी मनाते हैं. Now here she is telling that this festival is related to King Mahabali, and it is said that Lord Vishnu's 5th incarnation, gods will be changing their form, right? So Lord Vishnu's 5th incarnation was dwarf, and the Lord Vishnu came down as dwarf and sent Mahabali to the heavens. That means he killed him. Children, because timely as the Mahabali grew the proudness and he became completely selfish man. That's the reason he was no more accepted by the people of that particular Kerala or that particular area. So God, they have prayed to the God, God have come down and killed him. So it is, even today it is said that Mahabali comes every year, once in every year to everyone's home to have a visit. दादी ओनम की तैयारी कब से शुरू हो जाती है? Now her question is, she has Dadi explained her, this is related to the Onam festival, Mahabali's death, as well as it is related to the harvest of the festival. Now Alka, ओनम की तैयारी कब से शुरू होती है? From when do we start the celebrating ओनम? बेटा, ओनम के 10 दिन के त्योहार में पहला दिन अतन का होता है, जिस दिन से ओनम की तैयारियां शुरू हो जाती है. ओके, नाउ शी इज आस्किंग, व्हाट शी इज आस्किंग, व्हेन डू वी स्टार्ट सेलिब्रेटिंग ओनम? सो नाउ दादी इज टेलिंग दैट ओनम इज सेलिब्रेटेड throughout 10 days. First day of Antam, it is the first day and where all the celebrations will be started. ओनम के लिए घर की साफ सफाई शुरू हो जाती है, बाजार सजाए जाते हैं, पुक्कलम तैयार किए जाते हैं. Now here she is telling, every home is neat and clean and whitewashed, painted. Even the markets are decorated and they will be selling different kinds of flowers, fruits and all the required things. Pukkalam तैयार किया जाता है. Pukkalam is a rangoli type which is made with the flowers in the what we call kotya. That means वाक्यला ऐसा करा आदि. Pukkalam क्या है दादी? Poo. Pukkalam means what? Poo means flowers. In Telugu we call as puvulu. Yes children. So poo means flowers. Kalam means decoration. Pukkalam is collectively is a flower decoration. पुक्कलम फूलों का कलीन होता है, इसे कई तरह के फूलों से तैयार किया जाता है. इस दौरान पुक्कलम बनाने की प्रतियोगिताएं भी आयोजित की होती है, घरों में रंगोली बनाई जाती है. Now Dadi is explaining, the grandmother is explaining, see, the pukkalam is a flower decoration which is decorated in front of our main door, and when all will be doing this, there will be a competition with that, which one will be the best, and they will be sponsoring some trophies and some gift money. आलका, इस त्योहार के मुख्य आकर्षण क्या है? What are the other different attractions of this festival? Now, Sarpakar नौका दौड़. Okay, Sarpakar means in the shape of snake. There are boats in the snake shape of the snake. You can see this. It is given. It is looking like a snake only, right? So in the shape of the snake, the boats. So these races are held in the Kerala during the Onam. इस त्योहार का खास आकर्षण है. इस रेस के आयोजन से ओनम को आनंद और उल्लास का त्योहार बना देता है. ओनम के दौरान केरल के लोक नृत्य भी खास सौंदर्य बिखेरते हैं. तिरुवातिरकली, कुमतिकली, कथकली, पुलिकली आदि का विशेष आयोजन होता है. Not only the boat race, which will be giving the lots of happiness and gesture in all over the Kerala, but also the different dance forms which will be organized in different places, different areas. This also will be giving most attraction to the state and the tourist. Now next question. Alka, दादी ओनम पर बनने वाले पकवान के बारे में बताइए. Now you tell me, Granny, you tell me what are the different kind of delicacies, the foods which are made during the ओनम. ओनम पर तरह तरह के व्यंजन बनाए जाते हैं. व्यंजन मीन्स फूड. ओके, तरह तरह के डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फूड्स. आखिरी दिन बनाए जाने वाले व्यंजनों को ओनम साध्य कहते हैं. ओके, देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फूड्स मेड ड्यूरिंग द ओनम, but at the last 10th day which is made, that is known as Onam Sadhya कहते हैं. Okay, that's a particular food, that the complete food is known as Onam Sadhya, and it consists of 26 varieties of food. Children, can we eat? I can't even imagine eating that much of food. इसमें 26 तरह के पकवान बनाकर केले के पत्ते पर परोसे जाते हैं. So 26 varieties of food they will be preparing and they will be serving on the banana leaf. Kele ka patta means banana leaf. Here in the picture he has given. See, there is a beautiful different kinds of foods which are served on the banana leaf. Isn't it looking very interesting and tasty? Yeah. So, परोसे जाते हैं आलका दादी तीसरा और चौथा ओनम क्या होता है. Now she is asking what is third and fourth ओनम. Another question. बेटा वैसे तो ओनम का त्योहार 10वें दिन खत्म हो जाता है. Now she is telling actually usually the ओनम will be completing at 10th day only. But लेकिन कुछ लोग इसे आगे 2 दिन और मनाते हैं जिसे तीसरा और चौथा ओनम कहते हैं. But some people they celebrate 2 more days of ओनम that is known as third and fourth ओनम. इस दौरान वामन और महाबली की प्रतिमाएं पवित्र नदी में विसर्जित की जाती है. Now on the third and fourth day what they'll do, the people they will during the Onam they will keep the what we call the sculptures, like we keep the idols of Ganesha during the Ganesh Chaturthi, right? So the Kerala people also install the idols of Mahabali, the King Mahabali, and the dwarf, the incarnation of Lord Vishnu, they install in their home, and at the third day or the fourth day they will be taking and they will be immersing in the fresh river water. Okay children, पवित्र नदी में विसर्जित किया जाता है. विसर्जन करना यानी इमर्स करना. ओके, पुक्कलम को भी इस दिन हटाकर साफ कर देते हैं. ना the flower decoration which is made in front of the door, pukkalam, that will be also they will be taking out and they will make it clean. In this way they will be celebrating the Onam festival. So really I learned many things from the Onam. I hope even you have learned. Once again go through the lesson children. We'll be meeting in the next class where we'll be writing the notes on this lesson. Okay, bye bye.